What's up, YouTubers? If you have a riding mower, this happens to be a 2004 Troy-built 809 garden tractor, but there are several others that have this same mechanism, the same decking. Usually if it's made by MTD, there are several brands out there like Cub Cadet, Yard Machines, Yardman, Troy-built, and others that have a similar deck to this guy. If your issue is the deck is not even, if it's higher on one side than the other, if you take a, some sort of measuring device, and let's just say you measure the distance from the ground to the bottom of the wheel, roughly 1.5 inches on mine, and it's also, depending on what you have it set on, of course, with the height lever there. But if yours is not matching up from one side to the other, I've already adjusted mine, and they're both right around 1.5 inches. But if yours is not similar on both sides, there's an adjustment underneath here. There's a center bolt rather, right there, and you'll just loosen that a bit. You don't have to take it out, just loosen it, and then you'll be able to move this here. Notice there's some little slots, if you can see it inside there. Hold on one second. There are slots inside there that this guy will could slide up and down to, and that's your height adjustment basically, just for this one side, so that you can level out the deck. So I'll show you how I do this one. So you'll take your socket, and just loosen this center bolt a little bit. Again, you don't have to remove it, just loosen it some. Loosen it until you can move. Now I put just a big hammer underneath here so that I can move the deck up and down how I see fit. Notice that right there. Let me zoom it in just a bit. There we go. If you see that in there, no, it's a little dark, but using a big hammer or anything underneath the deck, you can adjust this. And be careful, of course, because the deck is rather heavy. Notice the deck can be adjusted depending on which side is higher or lower. They should be rather level. You should be getting the same measurement from the bottom of the side wheel to the ground. So you can move that up as high as you need to, and then you could also move it down, which means it would pull it up higher. So it may be opposite of what you're expecting. If you need the left side wheel to be higher off the ground, you will move this to where it is now, which is one of the lowest settings on here. But if the left side wheel is too high, you will support this a little bit. Just be careful because it's heavy. Notice now I've moved the adjustment up, which means the left side wheel, if you're sitting on the tractor of course, is now lower to the ground. You basically want them to be about the same in measurement. And once you get it set to where you want, then you'll take your wrench and tighten that center bolt down again, and you should be good to go. So, I know that mine needs to be right around here.